In this lesson, we will learn that how LifterLMS course information block works. So LifterLMS course information block helps to show the course estimated time, difficulty level, categories, tags. So this block actually display this information. So when you will create a course, this information will be automatically be there. But if there is no course information block, you can add that manually as well. So if you visit your course page, you will see that you will be able to add a block. So add the course information block. Here we have to search for course information. So here is the course information block. We have to add this one. And when you will add this one, we will see on the right side here we have course information options. Like we can add the title, heading size, we can add the estimated completion time. So I added 30 here. So here you can see enable or disable estimated time. So if you want that you don't want to show the estimated time, you can disable this. You can disable the display or difficulty option. That means you can enable or disable all of these options, but I enabled all of these options at the moment. So this is how it works. Basically, you can only add this course information block in this course page. You cannot add this course information block on other pages. So now I can update. So you can choose enable or disable option as per requirements, but I like to enable all the options here. So now if I visit my course again and if I refresh it, here is the course information option.